Day 1 of online class, and there's so many people on Edmodo that I can't even load it. I mean, it is already 12:47. This is supposed to be done by like 9. Oh, this is cinnamon cake that my mom made. It's so good. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Why do I keep on laughing? I'm serious. I won't laugh.
Okay, so this is day 1 of our coronavirus notes from home. Opportunity as a time Indians meet at this garden. The British declare all large gatherings illegal. Kind of feels like now. Really, the world community is outraged by this. This is really important. You do.
Oh.
Late 2018, the world took a small
Ignore that dry.
farm altering life itself.
What is 6:30? Did you sleep? Yeah, I'm only gonna eat.
Yes, it is. Okay, hold on.
Keep going.
I have to wait for it to set, but I don't want to. Dun, dun, dun. Oh no, I should have waited. Mmm. Oh. It's good. Do you see that? What the heck? Why do they keep on going in my room? Hi. Ah, it's so pretty. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, kind of scary, right? Oh, so pretty. The cherry blossoms. Okay, hopefully my neighbor doesn't mind. Because I'm filming in their, this is their tree. But so pretty.